Hello everybody and happy Thanksgiving from all of us at the Produce Moms and our brand partners at Wada Farms. Today we are celebrating Thanksgiving with the iconic, the one and only sweet potato. I know that it's on your Thanksgiving menu and it's on mine too. I am encouraging everyone to try a sweet potato pie this Thanksgiving. We're gonna show you just how easy it is to make. So first thing, you gotta cook your sweet potatoes. You can really do this any way you want. You just need to get them soft. So you can boil them, you can slice them up and roast them in the oven. You could even microwave them if you wanted to. I oven roasted mine skin on, and I pricked them with a fork. Takes about maybe 45 minutes for them, depending on the size of your sweet potato. It's gonna take about 45 minutes at 350 degrees to get them nice and soft the way we need them. So this one has been cooling in the bowl for a while, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take the skin off. So you literally, it just peels right off. All right, and that caramelization under the skin, that's exactly what we want. That's gonna add so much flavor to the sweet potato pie. And see how it just literally comes right off. All right, so into the mixing bowl it goes. All right, now I'm gonna add the other ingredients that we need for the sweet potato pie. We've got a half cup of unsalted butter that's softened, half a cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, got 2 eggs, 1, 2, we've got spice, that's like allspice and cinnamon, and we've got vanilla. All right, so one reason I absolutely love this is it just comes together so easily. All right, so you can literally dump it all in the bowl and then you use your hand mixer. To put the sweet potato pie filling into the pie crust. So I know that there's home cooks out there making homemade pie crust and doing all the things this Thanksgiving. In my home, I'm going for the pre-made pie crust. So, and it even comes with the little pie plate with it too. So you gotta love that. All right, this is a trick from my grandma. You gotta prick that pie crust at the bottom. All right, there we go. And then you're gonna add your sweet potato pie filling. And I actually am just gonna take it all the way up. Love it. So that's it, folks. That is how simple it is. This goes into the oven, 350 degrees. It is gonna take about 45 to 50 minutes. You wanna keep an eye on it. We'll show you soon just how golden brown and delicious it gets in appearance, and then wait until you try it. Okay, it's done. Sweet potato pie. This is about as delicious as it gets. I like to let it come to room temperature, and then I top it with whipped cream, and I cut a really big piece for me. In all seriousness, happy Thanksgiving from everyone at the Produce Moms and Wada Farms. Make sure that you're adding all sorts of potatoes to your Thanksgiving menu, and don't forget the sweet potato pie.